This is a current overview of Malaysia's East Coast Rail Link ECRL project as of mid-2025. Present development and schedule. Total completion. As of April 2025, the project is 81.07% complete, up from 78.5% in February. State-by-state advancement. Terengganu around 90%, Pahang around 86%, Kelantan around 89% at 88.86% with key station works ongoing. Selangor 67% construction highlights. Station progress Kelantan, Tunjong Station around 69%, Pasir Puteh Station around 68%, both expected to complete by May 2026. Tracks and tunnels. The 400-kilometer track from Meran to Kota Baru was completed by mid-January 2025. The Meran-Bentong 100-kilometer segment began in April and is expected to finish in 3 months. Genting Tunnel, 14.3 kilometers of 16.39 kilometers excavated. Full breakthrough expected by May 2025. Rolling stock, arrival of trains. The first sets of 11 6-car EMUs, CRRC CR200J, and 12 electric locomotives for freight are expected by November or December 2025, with the remainder arriving in stages through 2026. Project phases and expected start of operations. Phase route completion, target operations start. Phase 1, Kota Baru. Gombak, December 2026, January 2027. Phase 2, Gombak Port Klang, December 2027, January 2028. Testing and certification, scheduled to begin in June 2026 for Phase 1. Summary and what's next. Progress, on track and accelerating, with important completion milestones surpassed across key states. Key milestones ahead, ongoing tunneling, station finishing, and track laying. Rolling stock, key train units expected to arrive by end of 2025, ready for testing next year. Operational readiness, Phase 1 poised for service by January 2027. Phase 2 toward January 2028. Public perspective via Reddit. High expectations for freight shift. The link is meant to nudge a shift towards rail use for cargo transportation, an important policy. Design concerns. Cost-cutting measures meant double tracking was deferred. Delays will be inevitable. Tech and design appreciation. The new EMU includes wheelchair-friendly design, batik detailing, and LTE rail 4G communication systems. Bottom line, the ECRL is moving forward strongly, with civil works nearing completion and testing and train deliveries on the horizon. It's expected to launch in stages starting January 2027, transforming east-west connectivity in peninsular Malaysia, both for passengers and cargo.